Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and man, a little irritated. So, as I told you guys on Monday night, I put in this sell, and even though my overall bias was right, stop loss was too tight, I was stopped out. Woke up to a $720 loss. I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to do that anymore. The overnight trades, I want to be here to look at them, watch them, do all that, right? But yesterday, after I did the trade journal, I seen here that there was a clean 50% IOC, and there's also a 5-minute golden zone IOC right here as well. But I seen this IOC right here, and I really liked it. I didn't move this. This is from last night, so it's kind of crazy that it happened this way. Hit perfectly, didn't even break the IOC, not even close to breaking the IOC. No drawdown. And it's up, what, 150 pips right now? Yep, 153 pips right now. So, those are one of the things I just, man, the market, man, the fucking market. But, you know, ain't no thing but a chicken wing. At this point, you just gotta accept it for what it is and take it. So, one thing that I'm hoping right now, the one thing that I'm hoping I see right now is that we see price kind of retrace up. Now, I don't know if it'll necessarily make it back to the IOC, but I also drew out this support, resistance yesterday, and you can see it's being somewhat respected today. So let's go ahead and break it down. So you can see 5 minute and 15-minute 50 EMAs. Man, that shit gets me mad. I'm not in the trade right now. I wish I would have been. But let's see here. 1 minute. So you can see the 1 minute is even tighter, right? Either way, though, I like what I'm seeing on the trade. I like the respect that's been shown up here, right? Clear rejections. This is exactly where I had my sell-off level right here. And yeah, it looks like it basically broke the lows, right? And broke this higher low that was created. Broke that. So we could kind of see right here as well that price is rejecting this area. Let's actually go back here to the 5 minute. Yeah, so you could actually see it right here on the 5 minute. There's an ILC that's being respected as well. I like this area to sell off again. Hopefully we see a little bit of a retracement back up to this level. Kind of looks like it's starting to make its way back up. And I'd like to see something like this. Yeah, I wouldn't go that far. Let's just call it above here. 40 pip stop loss. And I think we could at least take it down here. Damn, that's 255 pips just to there. I mean, I like what I see here in terms of the IMGs. Even though they were filled on this side, you can see the IMGs here were filled. I guess they technically could be filled right here, but I don't think they broke structure. I know it kind of looks like it did, but I see this as kind of being like a bear pennant. So you could see what I kind of see here. I see this. And this. So you see this bear pennant. Price came up here, rejected it. So I think it could still do the same thing again, truthfully. So this is going to be my bias. If I do lose this trade, I'm going to look at this area to go ahead and sell off from again. So just going to be patient, see what the market gives us, and we'll go from there. Let me get my charts ready. I'm actually using the restroom. I like the way it looks overall. Alright, getting my charts ready. Got the 5-minute, 15-minute up. Can't believe I only caught that little bit up there. That shit's crazy. Yeah, I like the setup that we have right here. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, and we'll take it from there after this. But I do like the setup right here. I think this is something we could take. Let's see. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. You know what? Let me leave the 5-minute up for you guys, just so you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, so this is the trade that I see. I'm going to use the restroom right now, and we'll go from there. Excuse me guys, I'm back. Got about 2 minutes till open. Yeah, we'll see what the market gives us. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 1 minute chart. You know what? Let's see. Alright, 1 minute till open. Let's see here. I'll do the 1 minute like I usually do on here. We'll see what the market gives us at this point up here. So it's a little zoomed in. I'm on the 1 minute, but remember I also have the 5 minute and the 15 minute charts open. So let's see what it does right here. If it breaks above the 1 minute EMA right here, hopefully we can get it to come back to push up to our area right here. I really do like this area, so let's see. Got about 15 seconds. Let's see what the market gives us. Alright, let's see. I mean, it could reject right here, but let's see if it pushes to our area. Very close. It's a big push. Let's see what it does once it gets up here. It's another zone. I haven't put anything in yet. Alright, I put a sell in. I like the reaction. Let's see if it can keep it now. Got in a lot later than I would have liked. Shit, about 19 pips. Don't like that. Now it's above me. Don't like that at all, especially over the last 9 seconds. Let's see what it does here. Looks like it might break forward, but let's see. It's pushing. This is a big area for us right here. See if it wants to reject here or not. Alright, just put another little sell in, so we'll see if it finally rejects right here and comes down to our zone. Let's see. I'm in at 101.54, so we'll see if it gives us what I want it to give us, which is a rejection here and fall down. I don't like that it didn't finish bearish. Damn. Let's see. See if it could reject and stay down. I like the reaction, but let's see if it can hold it and turn bearish. Because if it just moves up right here, then it's not much of a rejection, right? Just like that. Kind of thinking about pulling it just because it looks like there's so much strength right here, but trying to trust it and see if it could possibly reject this. But I don't know. Then right here, let's see. I'm actually want to put it above here because I don't think it should get above this wick. And if it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm done for the day. I like that reaction. Let's see if it can hold it now. Let's see if it can just fall from here. That's my goal. I mean, it's reacting, but it's not holding that down. So these last, 12 seconds right here, I really want it to turn bearish. Really make its way down right here. Yeah, I don't like that. Well, it looks a little bit better here, but look at that. Fuck. Mm. See if it can hold it. I like what it's doing, but I really need to see it fall right now. That's the biggest key right now, is it gonna fall? Mm. It's like it wants to, it's rejecting up there, but it's not giving us the full fall, right? That's what I don't like. Still rejecting that shit. Just fall. Fuck. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna go our way. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my bottom position. Man, let's see if it just falls, dude. That's all I really need. Let's see if it can keep it. Yeah, no. It looks like it's headed up. This is the biggest key right here, is if it rejects this area. If not, then I gotta take it out of the. I have to hop out of the trade. You know. Yeah. Looks like I'm gonna have to hop out of this bitch. Damn, took a $300 loss right there. shit looks like it's just gonna continue to fly up. Pushing up to the upside now. Yeah, it looks like it might just blow. Yeah, now what I think it's gonna do is probably try to fill all the IMGs up top. Let me just show you. I think I'm gonna call it a day. $300 loss. That's really my limit for the day. 250. But it looks like it's gonna make its way past all this and then up to this area up here. Excuse me. Full retracement. Probably all the way up to here, minimum, unfortunately. I don't see what else it could go off of. And it sucks because you see this ILC, that's really what I was expecting to continue up. But I think where I missed it was this low wasn't broken, or this low wasn't broken here. It kind of kept this little trend line. Now I'm seeing it, but 2020 hindsight. I guess not. It did break the trend line. But yeah, I don't want to keep putting in sells or putting in buys right now when what it could be doing is just reversing on us completely like that. You can see it, it's just moving. Yeah, well, I guess it is what it is at this point. Take the loss, $300 loss. We're still up for the week. That's really what happened. So, try to trust the trade right here at this little sell-off area, but I think where I fucked up is price. This low wasn't broken here. You can see price stayed above this low. Delete that. I think exactly where it went wrong is right here. Is that low. Make that rejection. I like that. Off my key level. Last position. And this is it for me. So let's see. I'm in just below the wick. Let's see here. Don't like the way the 1 minute finished all the way. Damn, it's an 80 pip stop loss from here. Yeah, I don't know if I like the stop loss idea on this shit right here. What I might just have to do is, it's already above the wicks, but the IOC is so big, so it's kind of like you're kind of stuck at mercy right here of what can happen. Because the IOC is telling us it's this big, right? Nothing else, just the IOC. So yeah, Guess we could just see what happens from here. Yeah, you know, I don't like the way the 1 minute's holding. I don't know if I necessarily like it. Oh, that doesn't help. Well, I guess we're at the, I only have a 0.02 in there, but I guess we're at the pity of the trade, right? We're at the mercy of the trade. Morning, baby. I did. I got it for you.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, baby.
Cool.
It's like pink. Still 27 seconds. It's the only reason I don't like that bear candle happening at this point in the candle. And you're welcome, baby. And it's kind of, you know, I really needed to see it at least engulf this thing, right? At least engulf this so we could see that it kind of has a chance to move out of here. Very low, very low. I don't know if that's enough for me. Looks like this shit might just continue to move up. But let's see. See. See how it does that the last 10 seconds? I feel like, you know what, the trend just might be up. You know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it, call it a day. I mean, the only thing I could think is going back to this chart is that this low didn't break this low, and that's what really mattered. And I guess, you know what, I do kind of see an IOC right here that was obviously being respected. This one here. There's still a chance. I haven't pulled the trade yet. Thinking about adding, might add another one. Let me see. I might add another one. Alright, I just entered a position. Hopefully it goes our way.
This has never been on Netflix on my channel. OMG. OMG, it's a secret surprise. Look at
Turn it down. Alright, let's see if it does what we want it. Well, what I want it to do. Last chance.
Daddy, look at this. Look at.
Zoe, be quiet. That's cool.
That's so cool.
Okay, let's see. I'm in there. Let's see if it does it.
I got it on here. Yay, you won.
Turn it down, please. Now, if it moves up from here, then, you know, shame on me. But, let's see. This is absolutely my last trade, though, so if it doesn't hit from here, then, yeah. I really want to see this 5-minute finish down here. Oh, we got the 15-minute up. I really want to see it finish down here. Maybe even coming down a little bit more. That's what I'd like to see. We'll see if it actually happens. See, got about 370 for the day, which is terrible. Way past my limit for the day. Turn it down, Zoe. I don't like how it's not breaking below it. Truthfully. Not a lot happening right here. I really just want to see it fall, so let's see if we can make that happen. My first TP is going to be right around this zone right here. First TP right there. Second TP right here. Third TP down here. Let's see. Honestly, I'm only up, you know, a 0.05 at 199.60 and a 0.03 at 94.70. So I'm only up about 12 pips on my bottom position, 10 pips. But I'm already thinking about, I mean, truthfully, I can't move it already up, like move my stop loss up, but I think I'm definitely going to push it down. I'm not going to leave it at that 75 pips. See if it can fall down right here. Damn, that shit went right to 62%. Oh man. Yeah, this is actually a key level right here. 1 minute 50, 20 EMA is right there. So we need it to drop below here, not push up. See if it falls these last 15 seconds. You see how it's somewhat rejecting this area? Might just pull the trade. Let's see how this finishes though. Got about 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. So let's see if it gives us what we want, which is a continued bear push. If it could fall down here, I'd be more happy. Last 10 seconds, 5 seconds, this is crucial. See if this shit could fall down right here. Yeah, not sure if I like it. That push right there. But I'm going to try and trust it. I really am. I'm going to try and trust this shit and see if it can, it's rejecting it again, so let's see if it can really make the move. Alright, I think we're in business now. I think we're in business. Let's see if it can stay below. Alright, let's get it. Alright. This is I'm gonna take some profits right here. Just remember these are up, we're up about 60 pips right now, so Looks actually pretty strong going through here. Still 1:43. This is the 1 minute EMA right here. I haven't actually taken out any profits yet, so let's see if it could just continue this push down, because it looks like it has some force behind it, and yeah, we'll take it from there. And hopefully it doesn't turn. Hopefully it doesn't flip on us right here, because it realistically it could. So maybe, you know what? I think I'm gonna pull some profits right here. Damn, it's kind of flying up already, huh? Let's see. I mean, it looks like it's flying down pretty quickly, but yeah, let me pull some profits right here. Should I? I think I should. Yeah, I'm not. Alright. So I made about 242 back. So I'm down 136 for the day. Let's see what we could do here. See if it continues down. I'm going to move my stops to break even. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it can continue to push. This is a big area right here. Big area right here. I got a 0.05 in there. I'm up close to 90 pips right now. So let's see if it can continue down. This is a huge area of interest right here. It really is. I actually think with my 0.05, I'm going to pull a... Let's see, is it still moving down? Maybe I should just pull the trade. I'm not too sure yet. I'm at 100 pips damn near. Whoa, just shot up. This is a big area right here. A big area for price to possibly push up. So that's why I'm a little hesitant. And now I'm real hesitant. Fuck. Let's see. This is big. It has to reject this area right here. We got the EMA right here. We have the ILC right here. Right, we have multiple rejections here. Let's see if it can hold it. I do have my stops at break even. And, you know, I'm down 136 for the day. Let's see if it can continue its push down. Sorry, I just noticed how this chart looks right here. Where am I in at? Actually, I am in right about here. And I'm trying to trust this trade. I really am. I still think we're breaking structure to the downside, rejected the 62%. I really am trying to trust this trade, so hopefully it can give it to us. It's still early in this 1 minute candle, about a minute and a half for this 5 minute, but it's somewhat doing what I want it to do, which is reject and, you know, just continue down. So let's see if it gives it to us. Alright. See if it can continue pushing. I just put a 0.12 in there, but yeah, I don't want to do that. I got out quick. I mean, since we're at 100 pips, let's see if we can stay below this shit. I just secured that so it could take me over. So now I'm at $27 for the day, and I have $490 floating. See if it can keep it. Come on, baby. Break below. Let's go, man. Come on. You know what? I'm pretty happy with my profits for the day, if I'm not lying. I just left a 0.01 in there. 463 for the day. We're up about 151 pips. It's probably gonna fly past it, but it's where I gotta get better. But 150 pips, that's a good day for me, so I'll take it. Damn, actually, technically I got about 148, but I'll take it. I'm gonna let this 0.01 run for a little bit. I'm gonna put my stop loss above here, and so yeah, about 139ish. Let's go a little lower, actually. I'm gonna put it at 130. Sheesh, let's fucking go, man. Okay, let me get it for you.
Do you know how you gave me oatmeal? Could I have waffles?
You ate them all, baby.
Waffles? What you gave me yesterday? Could you just give me a bagel, please? Then could you give me a bagel peanut butter jelly, please?
Okay. So basically on this trade, I'm either going to, because I'm up about 161 right now. We're up about so I guess this is a little off. 163. No, it's about right. I mean, I kind of do want to pull it. I'm trying to learn to keep these trades. But that 165 will kind of put me over the $600 mark for the day, which I'm very happy to take, right? My take profits right here actually did it to match these lows right here. Well, so it might come. Looks like it wants to. Come on, hit my TP, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now, dog. I'll take it. Let's go. So 200 pip day for me. I mean, that's a big step in the right direction instead of catching 70 to 100 pips. Even though it might fall, who knows how far. I'm really happy with 200 pips. I mean, shit, if I kept the whole thing in there, that'd have been crazy.